Hi guys, today we're going to Jewel Changi. It's on the Metro Green Line, so follow me along. Okay, we are in the MRT and now we're walking up the escalator and towards Jewel. Look, here we are at Jewel Changi. This is like the best view I have ever got of Singapore from up here. Look, you can see all the cars passing down below. Look there. It's a long way to Jewel, so we have to walk a lot over here. Finally, we are at the Jewel Changi Waterfall. It's so big. Guys, did you know that this Rain Vortex at Jewel Changi Airport is a stunning 10-story long waterfall and it's world's tallest indoor waterfall that cascades down through the nucleus of the Jewel shopping mall. The area is also surrounded by many kinds of trees which gives it its green look. As you go deeper into the Jewel waterfall, it just keeps getting more and more pretty. From every and each level of the Jewel shopping mall, you will be able to see this stunning waterfall. I'm walking through the bamboo trees just for fun. Now we're at Jewel Blooms. See all the beautiful big purple, pink and blue flowers. They're so pretty, right? This whole area is still Jewel shopping mall and we are finding our way to the activities we're going to do today. It's such a beautiful place. Now we're going to the Canopy Bridge. The view from up here just feels unreal. I must tell you that it's an impressive 130 feet tall waterfall pouring from the roof of the Jewel complex. Now we're walking through the Canopy Bridge and walking among the clouds, peer through the glass floor and enjoying a unique perspective of the Jewel Changi's attractions is so beautiful. Hey! Oh my god, I'm actually walking through the fog right here. Now we're done with the Canopy Bridge, moving on to the next attraction. Now Hedge Maze. I'm lost in this maze. I'm not lying, but we are actually lost in here. Oh, I guess we found the hidden swinging gates. Okay, oh, this gate moves two directions. You have to go the other way. You're going the wrong way. Now we're on the correct direction, I hope. We are actually lost in here. Oh, the sunflowers are so pretty. There are thorns in here too. And we're back on the same track. Okay, I think we're finding the way out. Oh, I just found something really new. These are motion activated flowers. If you walk past them, the flowers will start to bloom. Look. Wow. See, it's so pretty. Okay, we have reached a watchtower over here, which I think will lead you to the top of the maze and maybe the exit as well. And oh, you can get a bird's eye view from here. This is really pretty. You can see all the flowers at top and the maze you've just gotten through. We just found the exit through the hedge maze and now we're going to the mirror maze. Okay, yeah, we finally got into the mirror maze. This is an actual very complicated maze. There are mirrors almost everywhere and that's why they've given you a foam stick to find the way out and not be bumping in the mirrors. There are countless mirrors here which create the illusion of endless bowers, and you might as well lose yourself in its symmetrical and triangular patterns. Oh look, there are flowers over there. There are flowers on the roof which make the illusion so pretty. Now we have reached the infinity chamber and I can seriously find countless infinity images of myself. Guys, we are officially declared as lost. I'm actually getting frustrated by these mirrors. Like they're never ending. I can't find the way out. Finally guys, we found the way out. It took us I think half an hour. Freedom. Come along, let's have a beautiful sight of the Kopi Park. This is a very beautiful pathway and surroundings. It just makes the place feel unreal. You can see the amazing variety of flowers and that too indoor, which makes it even more special. Tell you what, there's signs everywhere, even when you're roaming around just for a visit. See, the flower names are too complicated and there are even functions written here. Oh, the bird is so cute and it's all made with flowers. Such a beautiful place. Just come along and follow this wonderful view with me. It's a very beautiful view and you can see the mist coming out of below. And the fishes above the water are made out of flowers. It's so amazing. Now we're at the Discovery slide. Now we're going to the slides. Yay, let's go and slide. But that was a bit slow. I prefer something more fast. I'm very tired from walking around, so I'm just gonna sit down for a while. Okay, the next is the bouncing net. Now we're gonna keep our valuable stuff in the lockers and we're gonna go play. This is an amazing experience as the net is suspended about 8 meters and 26 feet above the ground. Imagine bouncing among trees, feeling almost weightless as you leap in this giant net. This is fun bouncing so high. Falling down on the trampoline is actually even more fun than actual jumping. The next activity was so scary for me as there was no protection below there. So you just had to walk on the walking net. This net is suspended 25 meters above the ground. Like imagine walking on a taut web, feeling unique sensation of lightness as you explore the Kopi Park. It's like a giant hammock in the air. It's scary yet amazing. Again, passing through jewel blooms, walk along with me and see the beauty of this unimaginable place. We're done with the tour over Jewel Changi and this is a must-visit place in Singapore. Guys, I hope you liked the video, so share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye!